Hello all you model car builders. I just got a little quick bonus video I thought I'd share with you. I was looking for some storage to put pens and paint markers and X-Acto knives and paint brushes and that kind of stuff. So I figured I can go to the store and purchase one, but then I thought, heck, I've got some scrap wood laying around, so I ended up taking a piece of scrap wood that was about that big. I cut it in half, and now I got the two halves here. I glued in some dividers, and this piece will glue up to that when it's done. Then I'll put a bottom on it and have a nice little storage container. I'll come back to you and see you in a minute with more. Well, there it is, folks, all completed. I wanted to get me some kind of container to put all my extra supplies in that, and I figured rather than go to the store and buy it, I'd just get something designed exactly how I wanted it. I found myself with a piece of scrap wood that was 14 inches long by 8 inches tall, and I split it in half and used the leftover pieces to make the dividers in the end, and there it is. So now I don't hardly ever go in these boxes on a regular basis, so if I just put that right there, I got a place to put markers, my little steering stick, some glue which fits in there perfectly, and whatever else I want to put in there. This little deal here is kind of limited to what you can put in there. You know, it's great for a couple of things, but you know, I've got way more than a couple of things here. Here's sorry about that. I've got some markers in that, paint marker things. So that was kind of neat, just a little something different today. I just wanted to share that with you, and you'll probably see it in the future videos. I thought I'd give you a heads up on what it is exactly and where it came from. So I just made it out of some scrap laying around. Didn't cost me a dime. You know. Alrighty guys, hope you're having a great day. Please come back and check out my videos whenever you can if you feel like it. And that's all I got for you. Talk to you on the next one.